This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Lexus app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so simply follow along.
So guys, today I'm going to show you 3 possible solutions in order for you to fix your Lexus application. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store, and then from here guys, just search up the top Lexus. And then from here for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And guys, when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device. And then from here, go to the apps. And then once you are here on the apps, just go to the Lexus application. And guys, just tap on it and go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there guys, you should be able to fix your issue on your Lexus application. And now if any of the solutions I provided doesn't work, all you have to do is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall Lexus on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again on your device. And then from there guys, you should be able to fix your Lexus application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching guys. See ya!